Good day, everyone. Welcome to another day of learning opportunity. I am Angel Grace Arturalde, and I will show you how to install application software as one of the learning objectives in COC1, which is install and configure computer systems under the qualification of Computer System Servicing NC2. So after we install the operating system, which is the Windows 7, so the next thing to do is to install the driver. So what is the purpose of installing the drivers? Drivers are applications that helps the computer in running the Wi-Fi or the local area network, the graphic card, the video card, as well as the Bluetooth and camera. So, since bago pa lang na nai-installa ng computer ng Windows 7, so kung mapapansin nyo sa adapter settings, wala pa siyang driver. So, hindi pa gumagana yung local area network. So, I have flash drive inserted here. So, you will just open it. So, just look for the driver. So, yung gagamitin po natin na driver is yung driver pack. So, yung kagandahan po ng installer na ito is full package na siya. So, hintayin lang natin na mag-scan. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, may makikita kayong install and update. So, i-click lang natin ang install and update. Sa taas, makikita nyo ang install drivers and programs. So, may mga different programs na nakalagay sa taas. Pero mag-focus tayo sa pag-install ng drivers. So, kailangan lang natin i-click ang install drivers. So, dito i-install na ng ating drivers ang chipset, network card Intel, mass storage, other, and sound card Realtek. Gagawin lang natin ay i-click ang start installation. At hihintayin lang natin na matapos ang installation. So ayan, kapag may lumabas na Windows Security, so ang pipiliin lang natin is don't install this driver software. So natapos na ang installation ng ating drivers, and then magre-require siya ng restart para maging successful ang ating installation and mai-apply yung changes. So kapag click natin yung OK, automatically magre-restart yung computer. So ayan, natapos na natin i-install ang drivers. So ngayon naman, mag-i-install tayo ng Microsoft Office. So ang gagawin lang natin is i-open lang natin ang Microsoft Office installer. At ang gamit po natin na installer is yung Microsoft Office 2010. Hanapin natin yung setup. And i-check lang po natin yung I accept the terms of this agreement. And then, click continue. And yung install now. Or pwede din naman, depende din kung gusto mong pumili ng applications na gusto mo lang na i-install. For example, ayaw niyong i-install yung Microsoft Access. So, ang gagawin lang natin is piliin yung not available. So, yung mga hindi natin kailangan na application, so, pwede nyo siyang gawin not available. So, alisin natin yung mga hindi naman natin kailangan. Kasi, ang i-install lang natin is si Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Publisher, and Microsoft Word. And then, click Install Now. So, binawasan natin yung mga applications para mas madali yung installation process. So, wala tayong ibang gagawin kundi hintayin na matapos yung installation. So ayan, tapos na ang ating installation ng Microsoft Office. So i-click lang natin yung close. So, dapat makita yung mga application na yan sa desktop. So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin is i-click yung Start button. And then, All Programs, and hanapin yung folder ng Microsoft Office. And i-open ito. Itutok nyo lang yung mouse pointer sa gusto nyong application. Sa Microsoft Word, right-click and then choose Send to Desktop. And automatic, may makikita na kayong shortcut sa desktop. And ganun din yung gagawin natin sa ibang applications. Katulad ng Publisher, PowerPoint. So, nandito na sa ating desktop ang Microsoft Office applications. So, after natin mag-install ng Microsoft Office, ngayon i-install naman natin ang antivirus. Ang gamit natin na antivirus is Avast. So, open lang uli natin yung ating flash drive. So, piliin yung folder ng Avast. And then, i-open lang natin yung application. So, dito, ang pipiliin natin is install old version kasi wala naman tayong internet connection. I-install yung Avast Free Antivirus. And then, click Next. And then, Next. And hintayin lang natin matapos yung installation. Ayan, so, since wala naman tayong internet connection, hindi talaga ma-install yan. So, just click OK. And then, click Finish.
Welcome to Avast.
So, ayan, natapos na natin i-install ang mga applications. Tapos na tayo sa COC1. Thank you for watching!